Well, hello guys, this is Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap. I'm excited to see you today. Today we are going to make a secret message candle. Now, before we get into this candle, if you want every single thing I use, the wax, the hot throw, you want your candles to smell good, you need some assistance with candles, you want to go ahead and click the link in the description box and go over to the Patreon where you will find every single recipe that's on this channel, okay? If you want to make this candle, here's your supply list as follows. So you're going to need some beads. Now, there are many beads you can choose from. These are metal. I like the metal idea because, of course, it's going to be coming close to heat. And anything that comes in contact with heat, you want to make sure that it don't burn or melt. So I chose metal. All right. Now, these beads are very easy to find. I will definitely link them in the Patreon. They got every single letter. So, and it's a whole lot in one bag, all right? And they're not expensive at all. You're going to need some wax. Now, you can use pear soy wax. You can use soy wax. You can use coconut wax. You can use any wax but paraffin, okay? Because if you use paraffin, we all going to know it's not a secret because paraffin is just too translucent and you can see clean through it. First thing you need to do is heat your wax up, add your fragrance, and then you're going to take that wax and we are going to pour it a little under halfway, okay? We're not going to fill this candle all the way up because it has a tall top on it. And if you fill it all the way up, you can't fit the top on it. And that's one thing I don't like about it, you know. Yeah, we'll talk about that later. But you're going to fill it up. And this will be our first pour because we're going to do 2 pours. The second thing you want to do is solidify this candle. You want to make sure that when you start adding things to the top, it don't fall through, okay? So it don't have to be fully solidified. It could be a little bit, a little bit warm, but just make sure that we don't have anything going through the candle, okay? So you want to go ahead and pour out your metal letters, and then you want to get yourself some tweezers because it's going to be pretty hard to pick these letters up and put them in the candle without the tweezers, okay? So you want to take the tweezers and start picking up every single letter that you need. So for me, I did I love you. So I went and took my tweezers. I picked up the I spaced it out, put the L in there, OVE, YOU, so on and so forth. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is after you get your letters on, they should look like that. They should be nice and neat and pretty. I really love the gold. I think the gold and the silver was really pretty because it seemed to bring out the candle a little bit more. You want to go ahead and get you some wax, warm it up, and then you're going to fill up your candle the rest of the way, okay? And this is going to just fully solidify, and you want to make sure you put enough wax in there to where as though you cover those letters up completely because let me tell you something. You can see them letters, okay, if you don't put enough in there. So make sure you cover them up completely. And it's not fully solidified, but this is how it should look when it's solidified. You should not see anything, okay? You should not see any letters, none. And here we are with our burn demonstration. I love it. Guys, go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I will see you again for the next video. All right.